Are you tired of juggling tasks and feeling like your Windows PC is holding you back? Thinking face well, today, I'm here to share 10 hidden gems that will transform the way you work on your Windows computer. And the best part? These tools are free, open source, or copyright free. Let's dive in. These apps will enhance your productivity by simplifying workflows, automating tasks, and customizing your PC. From developers to everyday users, there's something for everyone. First up, we have Power Toys, a collection of tools straight from Microsoft. Fancy Zones lets you snap and arrange windows efficiently, and the color picker is perfect for designers. It's a productivity powerhouse. Tired of losing files? Meet Everything, a file search tool so fast, you'll never waste time hunting for a file again. Content creators, this one's for you. ShareX is a free screen recording and screenshot tool with tons of features like annotation and direct sharing. Want to automate everything? AutoHotkey lets you create custom scripts to save time on repetitive tasks. Whether it's shortcuts or macros, this tool has you covered. Turn your boring desktop into an interactive hub with Rainmeter. Add widgets for CPU stats, weather, and more, all while keeping your desktop stunning. Ever accidentally lose copied text? With Ditto, your clipboard now has a memory. Access previously copied items instantly. Whether you are a writer, developer, or student, Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app to help you organize ideas and build your personal knowledge base. Developers, this one's for you. DevToys packs handy utilities like JSON formatting and text diffing into one lightweight app. Need to install Windows or Linux? Rufus is a lifesaver for creating bootable USB drives, fast and hassle-free. These tools are simple, effective, and completely free. Whether you are organizing your workflow, automating tasks, or debugging code, they've got you covered. Let me know in the comments which app you'll try first or if you have any hidden gems to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next video.